With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is Lumax reagent consists of an aqueous solution of sodium periodate NaIO4 and a trace of KMnO4. It is used for locating the position of double bond in an alkene. During the reaction, the alkene is first oxidized to cis-diol, which upon cleavage with sodium peroxide gives aldehyde and ketone, similar to ozonolysis. Hot solution of acidic or alkaline KMnO4 can also be used for locating double bond by observing the products, which are ketones or carboxylic acids. Position of triple bond can be identified by similar process. An alkene on treatment with NaIO4, KMnO4 and Na2O2 gives acetone and acetaldehyde. The alkenes options are 2,3-dimethyl-butene, 2-methyl-butene, 3-methyl-butanene or 3,3-dimethyl-butanene. So we have to tell on which alkene when these reagents are treated, which alkene on which alkene these three reagents are treated will give acetone and acetaldehyde as products. So we'll see one by one, right? So for the first compound that is 2,3-dimethyl-butene, we'll draw the structure here. For the first one is CH3 double bond CH3 and CH3. It is given 2, 3. So second and third carbon has a methyl group, and the butene is like second carbon has a double bond, right? And 4 carbons are attached. So this is 2,3-dimethyl butene. So if it is undergoing reaction in the presence of NaIO4 and KMnO4, so these two are strong oxidizing agents. So this will undergo oxidation as given in the question here. So it will form a cis-diol compound, right? So the cis-diol compound double bond will be broken from here, and 2 hydroxyl group will be attached to this carbon. So the cis-diol compound will be CH3 here, and OH attached to this carbon, OH attached to this carbon, and then CH3 and CH3. Now this cis-diol compound, now again it is given that it will react with Na2O2. So this Na2O2 will undergo you can say like the ozonolysis, there will be oxidative cleavage, right? So oxidative cleavage will give aldehyde ketones, that is the carbonyl groups are attached. So if it undergoes with the reaction with Na2O2, so this bond will be broken from here, and the compound will be CH3. So this here we can see that this has 3 carbon atoms, right? So and again here also 3 carbon atoms are present. So the compound formed will be 2 molecules of CH3, C double bond O CH3, which is acetone. But the question asked is acetone and acetaldehyde. So first compound cannot be the answer. Second, if we take 2-methyl-butene, 2-methyl, so the structure is CH3, CH3, double bond CH and CH3. So it is only 1 methyl at the second carbon, 2 methyl, yeah. Okay. So if this undergoes again the presence of oxidation and the presence of NaI4 and KMnO4, so this double bond will break, and the product will be, this is diol compound will be CH3 here, OH, CHOH and CH3. Again, this is a cis-diol, and again the bond will break and oxidative cleavage and 2 carbonyl compounds will be given the presence of Na2O2. So the compound will be CH3. So there is 3 carbons again. So C double bond O and CH3 plus. So here we see there are 2 carbon atoms. So this carbon atom will be forming this aldehyde group will be attached here, and this will be CH3. So we can see that this is acetone and this is acetaldehyde. So in the question, it is asked, so this is the second compound will give the required products. If we see for the third one, that is 3-methyl but1ene. 3-methyl but1ene. So for the third compound, it is CH2 double bond CH, CH3, CH3. Again, this undergoes reaction, NaIO4. So again, this bond will break and the cis-diol compound will be CH2OH, CH, CHOH, here CH3, sorry, this will be CH here, and this will be CH3, again CH3. So this again, the bond will break from here and the cleavage will happen and the presence of Na2O2 and carbonyl compounds will be formed. So there is only one carbon in this chain. So this will be HCHO plus there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms present here. So the compound will be CH double bond O, CH, CH3 and CH3. So this compound, this is formaldehyde and this is 2-methyl propanol. So this is the not required compound. And for the last compound we see, that is 3,3-dimethyl but1ene. So we'll draw the structure here. CH2 double bond CH, CH3, CH3, CH3. So again, this bond will break and oxidation will occur. The presence of NaIO4 and the cis-diol compound will be CH2OH, CHOH, CCH3, CH3 and CH3. So again, this bond will break and 2 carbonyl groups will be compounds will be formed, that is Na2O2. So there is again 1 carbon, so this will be CHCHO and this carbon will have an aldehyde group, that is this. So this compound name is 2,2-dimethyl propanol, right? 2,2-dimethyl propanol. And this is again formaldehyde. So again, these two compounds are not required as the products. So only compound giving acetone and acetaldehyde is the second compound, that is 2-methyl but2ene. These two are not giving the required products. So this is the only alkene. So answer to this question is second option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.